What's good, dudes? Today I'm doing another service cycle with this Gorenje WA60089 washing. Okay. As you've seen, my iPhone fell, but that's just a... What? No way! And that's it, it's dead. What? It doesn't even turn on anymore? You've seen those lines, didn't you? Oh man. I'm not going to commentate on it, so you can hear the washing machine struggling. Okay, let's try one more time. I'm trying to balance it out on an even load with one more blanket. If this one jumps, I'm going to turn this off and try to put it in a normal spin cycle. Oh Lord. Okay, it's an even load. It's better than before, but oh no. No, 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 no. I'm going to stop it. It's drained the water and I'm going to stop it. This is not going to spin. No way. No way I'm letting this spin. Come on, start. Now I'm stopping it. Holy fuck. Okay, so I put it in a normal spin cycle because this is not going to work out unless I put in more clothes, and I don't want to do that. Wow, it's actually quite nice. We have lost electricity. We've lost electricity. We have lost electricity.